Hello students, let's continue chapter 4th, that is practical geometry. Students, in this video we shall learn how to construct a quadrilateral when measurement of two adjacent sides and three angles are given. There are some elegant and accurate methods to construct some angles of special sizes. We do not require the use of the protractor. We shall discuss a few here. Now we will construct 60-degree angle, 90-degree angle, 75-degree angle, 105-degree angle and 120-degree angle. So first we will draw a line. We will draw line without measurement. So this is a line. This is PQ. Now we will take point O on it. This is O. Place the pointer of the compass at O and draw an arc of convenient radius which cuts the line at A. So students, I will take more than half of the length of OQ and draw an arc. Now without disturbing the radius on the compass, draw an arc. This is point A. Now we will take A as a center and we will draw an arc. Students, you have to remember here without disturbing the radius on the compass. Clear? Now draw an arc which cut previous arc at point B. So this is point B. Now join point B and point O. You can see here. So angle BOQ becomes 60 degree. This is 60 degree. So we write angle BOQ is equal to 60 degree. Now we will construct 120 degree angle. 120 angle is nothing but twice of an angle of 60 degree. So we will take B as a center and without disturbing the radius of compass, we will draw an arc. And this arc cut the previous arc at point C. So this is C. Now we will join point C and point O. Clear, student? So this entire angle is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. So we write here 120. So we will write angle COA. Angle COA is equal to 120 degree. Students, you can verify by using a protractor. Now we will construct 90 degree angle. First we will draw a line without any measurement. This is line PQ. This is P and this is Q. Take point O on it. So this is point O. Now we will take O as a center and we will give more than half of the length of OQ and draw an arc. Students, you can see here, this is arc. This arc cut the line PQ at point A. So this is A. Now we will give point A as a center, and without disturbing the compass we will draw an arc which cut the previous arc at point B, and we will take B as a center and draw another arc, clear, which cut the previous arc at the point C. Now we will take B as a center and draw an arc here, and we will take C as a center and draw an arc which intersect to each other at point D. So this is D. Now we will join point D and point O. Clear? This is DO. So students, DOA becomes 90 degree. So we write here 90 degree, and we write angle DOA is equal to 90 degree. Clear students? This is 90 degree angle. Students, you can verify by using a protractor. So you can see here, this is 90 degree angle. Now we will construct 75 degree angle. Students, we will give the name of this cut is E. This is E. Now we will take B and E as a center, and we will draw arcs which intersect to each other at the point F. Students, you can see here, these arcs cut to each other at point F. Now we will join point F and O. This angle become 75 degree angle. This is 75 degree angle. So angle FOQ is equal to 75 degree angle. Now we will construct angle 105 degree. So we take E and C as a center, and we will draw two arcs. Students, you can see here, these are intersect to each other at point G. This is point G. Now we will join point G and point O. Clear students? So this entire angle becomes 105 degree. So we write angle GOQ. Angle GOQ is equal to 105 degree. Students, I hope you have understood. We will solve exercise 4.3 in next video. Up till then, thank you.